Hola mi amigo y mi amigas. ¿Qué tal? Welcome to my channel. I'm Ahmad MousaviPour, Flamenco guitarist and guitar teacher. Today I'm going to teach you no Volveré, Amor of Gipsy King, famous music of Gipsy King. You can play solo of this song, little solo in here, short video, yes. I'm glad to see this video. And this tutorial with another change of chord, yes. You can see original chord in here, D minor, C, and original chord of this novel, and with full explanation about chord, rhythm. Rhythm is the 4/4, and you can you have a question, just tell me on right comment. For example, which finger you hold, first fret, second, third, fifth fret, yes, and change camera that you more learn better. Okay, let's go to that start. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here at 9, the open note is 6, 3, third and second string. Okay, one string is nothing here. You can hold C on the second fret of 5 string, and the next note is F sharp with the third finger. The next chord is D, first fret with the first finger, and in the 5 string, hold 5 string, the second position of guitar. The next note is C on the third fret of guitar, and the third fret of 2 string, and the next note fourth fret of 4 string with the third finger, and the fourth finger on the fifth fret of 5 string of guitar. So C, G, we hold with the third finger on the third fret of the 6th string. The name note is G, and the other note is C on the third fret of 5 string. The next note is E on the second fret of 4 string. The sixth sound, the third is open. The third string is open, and the next note is C on the first fret of 2 string. The next chord is G, D, G, and B is open, and the 6th string on the third fret with the 2 finger. The name note is G, and the next note is B on the second fret of 5 string, and the next note is F on the third fret of first string. The first bar of the no-volver melody with the bass string, you can play on the 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and with the C, and the next note is G on the 5th fret of guitar. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 4 3 4 5 6 bar on the line 2. Rhythm is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and the next bar 9 bar, 1 and 2 and 8 and 9 bar, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay. E minor at 9. With the P finger, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, up, down. Okay. The note is C, G. Rhythm is 8 rest note, yes. 8 rest note first, and the next note is black. It's black, and 8 rest note, 8 rest. And the third bar is black and 8 rest, 2 8 rest notes. 1 and, repeat again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and this got it. Third bar, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the fourth bar, 2 8 note. The note is G, pull off with F sharp, and the next note is F sharp. Pull off with E, next to D, next to C, D, and E, F sharp, D chord, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and and up with M and A finger and down with P. Next bar is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bar. And now to F sharp, E, F sharp, pull off with E. Next was E, D and D, to D, and 9 bar. C, excuse me, B, C, D, C, G chord. One, two, three, four. Repeat again. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe me, set the bell on all option for enable notification of new posts. Thank you so much. A minor chord is the note is E, F sharp, G, A minor, 11 bar, excuse me, 10 bar, E, F sharp, G, 13 bar, E, F sharp, G, G chord. Repeat again. And the note, the rhythm note on the 11 bar, A third note, A third note, A third note, and black note, 1 and 2 and A third, 2 A third note, third note is black, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and glove. Okay. CG. Okay. Yeah, you can make sure that play with metro. A minor, G or G.